Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Thanks. Just one update, huh? I
Yeah.
I was thinking last week is going to be the last, training session, corporate training session, but unfortunately, my mistake. This is going to be in the next week by this Friday, upcoming Friday.
This is for whom?
No, no. We discussed now. We would be taking the daily classes, so we'll be starting from next week onwards. But
Next week on.
believe me, yeah, I will take maximum 15 days to complete all your session
Okay,
related to
okay.
group reporting.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, 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 okay.
So let me quickly log into the system. And share my screen. So what are the points that we discussed so far?
उसके नहा रहे हैं, बच्चे को नहला रहे हैं, मैडम को नहला रहे हैं कि जल्दी आप जल्दी चलो यहाँ आके
Group reporting master data. Okay. So these things we had discussed in detail. Manage global hierarchy. Let me go from back to forth. Sorry. From last to back. So we had created our hierarchy. What was the FA hierarchy? Not this one. What we had created is creation on. Let's take this date created on last Sunday, right? So
We
21.
took, I think only it was a 15-20 minutes class.
Z15. So this is what we had created. So until you activate it, it will be in draft mode. Okay. So how we have created our
Global hierarchy.
hierarchy we had imported, right? Why if we are extending this one, I'm not finding anything. One second.
आपको कोई इतना फेमस क्या है बेटा कोई भी चीज वायरल होता है ना तो उसको जान जाते हैं कि वायरल है ये भी ट्रेंड में है बात करने के लिए
We already had imported, right? Let's go to the download. Let me check the file. So this was the hierarchy. I think we have not yet created. So root node. So what we discussed is how we can create it manually. So here we have option sub node. Okay. So say for example, I wanted to create CJMG1. Okay. So node CGMG1 main group. Then under this node, let us add a consolidation unit. So consolidation unit, let's take for example, what was the consolidation unit that we had created? We had created US01. So let's use US01. Okay.
Mhm.
So like that we can create.
This is
Apart-
basically meant for a reporting purpose, right? That's what you said.
Reporting purpose, right? So otherwise what we can do, export to a spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet. Okay. So node, then we can have again new node. We have to select here node. Node
Mhm.
under the main hierarchy.
Z1 file. Main group or main hierarchy?
Z1 file. Let's consider this one, or let's take hierarchy under this under this one. Okay.
No, but you can do it. You can make it as a sibling, right?
Yes. So I'm making this a new node. Say for example, Asia Group, CGAG1. So like that, let us make a group. Okay.
Okay.
Under CGAG1, let's make add two groups. Say for example, this is my consolidation unit. And let's consider this one IN02, CN01. Asia Group.
रोज आदमी को डील करता है क्या हम लोग भी तो बाजार में रहते हैं
Import.
हम लोग को संकुचन हो जाता है जैसे अभी हम आप बंटी को फोन एक दिन में 2 बार 3 बार करना पड़ जाए
28, I think this one.
आप क्या है आपके पास आने से पहले
Upload.
बहुत सारी चीज सोचना पड़ता है जाए नहीं जाए रिश्तेदारी क्या है हम क्या है लेकिन जो डील करने वाला होता है ना वो क्लियर कर उसको कितना से
IN02 does not exist. So maybe we have created IN10. What I think we have created consolidation unit IN10, right?
Not sure.
Let's try IN10.
India, maybe you can mention it as India.
मैं पहले रात के बोल दिए जो मर्जी आया सो थोड़ी डील करने का मतलब है वही बात बोले जो अगला को मानना पड़े वही बात बोले जो अगला में हाँ भी सर तो वो जो बात सामने से ज्यादा है ना तो वो बात आपका वैल्यू बढ़ाएगी
So see, automatically has got created.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like that, you can save it. Also, you have to mention the validity period. Okay. And then you need to activate it. Until you don't activate it, it will be in draft mode.
Where do you mention validity?
When you go for the creation of hierarchy now, so this first step, first is Z15. You have to create through this app only. You cannot directly go and import. To try, means first you need to enter this any of the hierarchy you need to first select, right?
Okay.
So you first step you need to do here. So for example, I'm going to create a new group. So I need to first select this, which is it, whether it's for company hierarchy, whether it's for profit center hierarchy, whether it's for bank account group. So what hierarchy, what purpose we are creating this hierarchy? Okay. So if you remember, those last time we selected consolidation unit. Consolidation unit This is the hierarchy. Hierarchy ID Z15, Z16 we can say. Okay.
Okay.
Description Z16. So here you need to enter the validity period. So you can just mention 20. Make sure like this you are great taking in past, because taking in past is not an issue, but taking in future is a risk. It will not work. If something you wanted to run today and your hierarchy validity does not falls under this category, this range, then it will not work. So this first step you must require to the highest level hierarchy. You need to create through this app only.
Okay.
Okay, there is no way you can directly upload from here.
Mhm.
Import hierarchy, it will not work. Under which hierarchy? Okay.
Z15, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying ki you will not be able to directly upload any hierarchy. So first code you need to build here.
Mhm.
Then from second node onwards, you can do it from here. We are going slow because this will be helpful for you. You can be able to also catch quickly. So hope you are able to follow me everything, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So if I try to load this one, we can be able to do it. I'll go to the edit mode, select this, import, put hierarchy, browse, open, upload file. So first you need to download the data because it will, also take the correct, validity period. Okay. So what I can do, I'll just show you. Wait. Export spreadsheet. So we have downloaded this spreadsheet. So here the validity period is different.
Okay.
In this, what I can do, rest other parameter we can copy. Correct?
Uh-huh.
I don't know why that symbol is not coming here.
It's drop down. You can double click.
Leave it anyway. That's fine. You got the point, right? What I was trying to say. Let me try to upload this node, sheet now. It will create the hierarchy.
Okay. Okay.
So we have, group data analysis. Okay. Let me check, which data we have in the SAP system. We can run at least for any unit which has the data already. Mm. Two thousand Whiten version 2010. But group is not clear, huh? Which group this belongs to? We need to do some research. Version is written. (2026). Period is 1. Let's continue. Let's try to do the data monitor. So this is my, consolidation unit, and I let me try to. This is balance carry forward. Mm-mm-mm. So here we have the data, okay? So here we can add the hierarchy. We can add if this item is there, if items are there, but no. If I wanted to check my consolidation unit, what I can do? We can go here and we can consolidation unit. We can bring it here. These are my consolidation units.
What we are trying to do here?
No, I was saying this is the report, okay? And here we can add the hierarchy. FS item. So if I
No,
click right
the latest hierarchy, what
hierarchy,
we added, where it is? Where is that hierarchy, what we have?
no, whatever we are creating here, manage global hierarchy.
Uh-huh.
So we can say search. So we can say Y1 base, or say, for example, Y1 BSPL. This is the standard hierarchy which we are going to use.
No, that is correct. But just now, what the hierarchy, what we created, where it is available, not able to see, right?
No. This hierarchy we will not be able to use. I'm showing some other hierarchy.
Okay.
Manage
Why,
global hierarchy.
why it is not visible there? You have activated it, right?
No. My hierarchy is not meaningful. Okay. So say, for example, what I had taken is Y1 BSPL. Probably this one. If I just open this one, how this hierarchy looks like. See, this is the hierarchy. This is how it will look like. This is my FS item. In this structure, it will show you the report. The purpose of hierarchy is this.
This is available in group data analysis.
Group data analysis, right? So if I'm trying to apply the hierarchy, it's not been able to. I had selected this balance sheet P&L and okay.
The name of the your hierarchy was Z1, right?
No,
Z15.
I'm taking standard hierarchy. This is
Okay,
standard.
but what we created is Z15 or
Z15, right? There are n number of standard hierarchies are available. FS item, this is my hierarchy. So we are getting the data in FS item, right? So sure, why it's not?
FS item is the lowest level, right?
Say, for what you have created the hierarchy, you need to apply the hierarchy for that particular column, right? Otherwise, no meaning. If your hierarchy is for consolidation unit, then you should select the hierarchy which is relevant to consolidation unit, right? Then only it will work. See, this is based on your consolidation unit hierarchy. If I just expand this, so this is how your report will look like. So suppose I have this hierarchy for consolidation unit. This is my hierarchy. So we can see the report in this structure. Getting my point?
Yeah, I got it. But can you just show me the what hierarchy we have created? Z15. Are you able to search here or?
That is, yeah. We will not be able to search here. Second. What hierarchy we had created? It has the validity period, right? 1/3/2020. This one.
Hierarchy ID is
And
Z15.
correct. But this is my validity period, 1/3/2020, right? And when we are running the report, we are running for which period? 1/20/2016.
1/3 March onwards. It should be.
Correct? So
Okay.
whatever consolidation hierarchies will be available, it will show only those hierarchy. Select hierarchy, search hierarchy. So it is showing only this hierarchy, CS17.
Yeah. But can you change the parameters there and
And also we have not activated CS17 is not showing here.
Z15 is not activated? Okay.
Once again. Reason 23. Name of the hierarchy. CS17. So name of the hierarchy is, let me add the filter here. Name of the hierarchy is not available. So let's go. Let's scroll slowly. Then more hierarchies are there. What I was trying to say, based on the customer request, you can design your hierarchy. Reason 23, right? This is what is reflecting, right? How this is designed? So this is designed in this way. Reason 23, right? What we are looking here. Reason 23, 2023. So this is how it is. It has been designed.
So if I want to edit anything in Z15, how do you search that on here?
Z15.
Z15.
We can search
ID.
our ID
ID.
here. We can
It
go
is in
to
draft.
edit and we can make the changes.
Can you do activate it?
Sure, we can do that.
Now, if you go to this global group analysis, something is there, right? Group analysis.
Group data analysis. Okay.
There now you can search Z15 hierarchy ID.
Hierarchy ID, it will not be able to search. Let me
How
try
to clear
changing.
filters? Valid from 1st March 2020.
Profit center, consolidation unit hierarchy, key date, this consolidation group. So all it should be able to find it out. 1 second. My concern here is FS item. If I'm applying the hierarchy, why the hierarchy is not getting applied here? Finish it.
If you can scroll down, Z15.
Sorry?
No. Can we search the Z15 one?
Jet 15. Okay, let me try. Consolidation unit. In this consolidation unit, I wanted to apply the hierarchy. This is coming now, right? So this is applied. Hierarchy is applied. But it is not meaningful, okay? Nothing is coming under this hierarchy.
Z15, right? This is.
The Z15. Didn't you notice?
Yeah, that CS slash Z15 it was there, right?
Yes. Let me show you again. It is coming here. Just wondering why my this FS item hierarchy is not working. Is it giving some message which we are not been able to see here? What's going on? Maybe there is no balance because of that. It might not have been working. So as per because report you need to generate in hierarchy, right?
Yeah,
And this
how
hierarchy
export?
you can export also in Excel. Okay. And you have a number of other parameters which you can bring here.
All
Here,
this left hand side is all hierarchies, different hierarchies.
this one.
Uh, uh, uh.
These are the fields. What
The-
fields you wanted to bring here in your report?
Oh, okay. Fields
If
dimension.
I suppose I don't want document type, this one. If I
Okay.
click here, it will go away.
Mhm.
So my report is now based on only consolidation unit and FS item.
Mhm. On any dimension, you can create a hierarchy, right?
Yeah, any dimension, right? These are
Uh,
the available dimension. Like when you go for the manage global hierarchy.
mhm.
So there you have the option once you go for the creation of hierarchy, right? So let me click on create button. So these are the dimensions that you have. These many dimensions are only allowed.
But this is not dimension. These are all hierarchies, right?
Yeah, and this hierarchy not even just for creation and use in group reporting. You can use in other areas also. Grant hierarchy is no meaningful for group reporting, right? This is for grant management. Segment hierarchy, profit center hierarchy, that what you can utilize here in group reporting, right? Other hierarchies like bank account hierarchy. So that you are going to use definitely for the cash management purpose. Clear?
Yeah, but I have to look into more on this one hierarchy, how it works. Yeah, this one, I will refer books and also just I'll come back with question.
Hierarchy, like you have designed your hierarchy, okay? Hierarchy, this is your hierarchy basically. What we have designed here, this is your hierarchy. Very simply, you can just check any existing
No,
hierarchy.
you have designed one particular. Basically, that is a you can say consolidation
Say,
hierarchy something. And
mm,
so my question is, you can create such kind of hierarchy for even for time dimension and you even for region dimension or even what you call for cost center
say,
also you can create
say,
that.
say, for example, my region dimension, okay? Sales, okay? And here you have added region 10,
Mhm,
11,
mhm.
12. But when you have posted the data, you're capturing the region Maharashtra, Andhra, Bangalore, like that. So if you apply the hierarchy, it will not be useful. That is useless because reported data is in this format. So do you think if we have created any hierarchy in this format is going to work? Not
No,
really, right?
No, I didn't understood. So sales, 10 is Maharashtra, 11 is Andhra, and 12 is.
Say for example, domestic sales. You have total sales hierarchy. You are going to create total sales. Under total sales, you are saying domestic sales. Under domestic sales, you are saying let's talk about in this way region. Okay. So domestic sales, suppose you have added the region here. If I open one hierarchy, so say for example, manage global hierarchy. Let's open this one. Balance sheet one. Okay. So what we had created assets, current assets. Okay. This is all hierarchy, part of my hierarchy. This is just node and description. But this is not node and description. This 4 times 100 is not node or description.
That
What
is the
is
lowest
this?
level. Lowest
Yeah.
levels.
Yeah.
Where,
What is this? This is my FS item, where actually my transaction is coming, reflecting. But if you don't have any transaction in this one, okay. Say for example, your cache and the hierarchy which you have designed, here you have added, 111100. 111100. But in real scenario, you have this is 6-digit code, right? But your actual FS item is say for example 7-digit. So your data is at this level. So it will not show anything in this node, right? Getting my point?
No. See, what is that? 1110?
This is your FS item, right?
Correct.
What is my FS item? FS item is going to consolidate all your GL accounts, right?
Correct.
We did the assignment here, right? Remember?
No, that I understood. That I understood. Mapping has been done from GL accounts to FS item.
So your FS item, actual FS items is say for example 7-digit code. 1 2 3 4 5 0 0. And you in the hierarchy you have taken this FS item. So
see, that is a wrong one you have given in the hierarchy. That is the reason it is not coming.
right. Not wrong one. Suppose your chart of account is your consolidation chart of account is different. And if you have two company codes, okay, one is having different set of chart of account, one is having different set of FS item, second is one having different set of FS item. So if I try to use the existing hierarchy, it is not meaningful for my group data analysis report.
Correct. So you have to create as per your company standard, right?
Correct. My FS item structure means every hierarchy means every GL accounts of mine should be assigned somewhere here. These are my FS items, right? Every FS item should assign to either one of the node of my hierarchy. Getting my point now? This must be assigned somewhere in hierarchy.
Okay. No, that I
Sorry,
understand.
this is my FS item. This is my FS item. Correct.
Yeah, FS item has to be a part of your hierarchies, any of the hierarchies, then only numbers will reflect. So my question was, for which are all the things you can create hierarchies, right? One is this, what you are saying is region. Apart from that region, can we create hierarchy for functions?
Functions, profit centers.
Profits and
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Yes, yes, you can create. See, what I'm saying you, this is the list. You cannot
Mhm.
create hierarchy out of this list. This is the list.
Uh, okay. What is
Consideration
this?
process, costing level, profit
Uh-huh.
center, reporting item, segment, sub item, document type, financial statement item, code hierarchy, company hierarchy. Okay.
Uh-huh. So you are
Consolidation
saying that
unit.
hierarchy can be created only on these things.
These things, yes. Functional area,
Costing.
cost center, fund hierarchy. Only these things, not outside this.
Right.
Clear?
So, but
Profit center
we
hierarchy,
are
segment hierarchy.
already having hierarchies for this one profit center hierarchy. Why do you want to create another hierarchy for profit center? This is
So if
a SAP given hierarchies or
yes,
standard
yes,
hierarchy?
yes. Say some will be a profit center SAP given hierarchy, some might have created by their own. So if
Okay.
you are using the SAP provided profit center only, then this
Uh-huh.
hierarchy is useful. Your
Uh-huh.
profit center code is different, then this is not meaningful for you.
No, that I understood. So what you are going to do is you have to make compatible for your company structure. So you will download this SAP given and you will edit and upload it, right?
That you can
As,
do. That you
uh,
can do. Definitely you can do.
uh,
You can export. Correct.
okay.
That you can definitely do. Wherever you have the profit center, say for example, this is my download. Liquidity item. So wherever we have the liquidity item, we will change with replace it with my liquidity item. These are
Okay.
nodes. These are nodes. We don't need
Uh,
to do this.
mhm.
If this hierarchy is correct, if customer is okay, they say okay, no, we don't need, we don't want in this structure. Then you will have to design from the scratch,
Okay.
right?
Mhm.
Then it will tell like what is level 1, level 2, level 3, right? What is
Mhm.
my parent ID? What is my ID, main ID? You can
Mhm.
ask them to fill the data and send you back this one,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
They might not send you in this structure. They can send you in other structure. Okay, this is my node 1, description of node 1 this, and then level 1, level 2, level 3 like that. Under
Mhm.
level 3, we have liquidity items. So what are the liquidity items under level 1, level 3, level 5? So that we can ask.
Here the lowest level will be FS item, right? Again.
Yes, yes. For my balance sheet hierarchy, this will be definitely FS item. This is I had opened a wrong, different hierarchy. If I open this profit center hierarchy, then lowest level will be profit center. This is my profit center.
Mhm.
Clear?
Yeah. So.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yes, please go ahead.
Mhm. So profit center, the lowest level, there also what numbers will be loaded in the lowest level, right?
No, no,
Profit center.
you didn't notice this point. When we go creation of new node, it asks whether we wanted to create a node or profit center. When we
Uh,
select profit center, then we need to enter the profit center. If you enter any profit center 1001, say for example, if I try to add, this does not exist, it will not allow me.
okay, okay.
Profit center does not exist. It will validate, but node you can create. It will not validate anything.
Mhm.
Got my point? Say for example 1001, I try to create the sub node. It will not stop me. It will create. Clear?
Yeah, I'm not so clear, but anyhow, I will look into that one, and tomorrow class I will check with you if I am having any questions.
Okay, okay. You just do some navigation.
Okay.
You will get some idea. Okay. So
Okay.
I'm stopping this today. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And we'll connect tomorrow.
Tomorrow at
Maybe
what
same time.
time, sir?
Same time. Or
Sorry?
otherwise, I will ping you. If morning we will have to connect, I'll ping you around 8:30 morning.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks.